we're going to talk about how to change the theme in Google Classroom. So once you're into your classroom, you've created your classroom. Mine's called Test Classroom. It has my class code always there so I can add students to it. And then over here you can click Select Theme. Once I click on that, it gives me a ton of options here that are Google has ready for you. So you can click through them, figure out what type of theme you want to have. Go down and select your theme. I'm going to select a sports one here. I'll go with the golf one there. Select theme, and then it'll change your theme right here. And it also changes some of your color schemes down here, so it's green and green. If I select a different theme, it should change those as well. Maybe I want this one here. Changes my color scheme. And it'll always tell me here that theme has been updated. So as simple as that. You can also upload a photo. The hard thing with Google at times is it's a banner type photo, so you can make your banners, but some photos get a little bit squished in there if you try to put them in there. But that's how you pick a theme.